This is a 1955 Ford F-100. It's been sitting in the dirt on a farm in California, and the last time it was registered is before I was born. We got out to California, rented a U-Haul, and got this thing pulled out of the dirt.
We had very little room forward and back, but luckily we had some diesel power and a headache rack. And besides almost backing into a tree, things went pretty perfectly. And after about 20 minutes of wishing I had an electric winch, I got the truck pulled up onto the trailer.
Here we go.
Perfect.
And off we go on a 14-hour road trip back home to Arizona. And once we got home, I got some help from my buddy Ben to help me get the truck off the trailer. And now we can finally begin working on this truck.
Firstly, we're gonna give this thing a quick cleanup and see what we're working with. This thing looks sweet. It's got an old Ford Y-block, it's got a puny rear axle, and a hood that doesn't close. Plan is to give this thing a full overhaul. We're gonna be taking out the chassis, we're gonna be removing the engine and transmission, and putting in a new rear axle. We're gonna give it a fresh clear coat to preserve all this beautiful patina that's been building up over the years. And we're gonna get this thing back on the road right where it belongs. This is gonna be a multi-part series, guys, so subscribe to the channel and follow along, and I'll see you on part 2, where we remove the engine. And now here we are, and I present to you the newest project of my auto adventures.